Okay, so we continue with chapter 2 part 3, digital storage, preserving content locally and on the cloud. Okay, what will be covered in this chapter? The difference between storage and memory, the characteristics of internal hard disk, benefit of solid state drive, uses of external hard drive and RAID, the differences between various type of memory card and USB flash drive, the benefit and uses of cloud storage, characteristics of and differentiate among types of optical disc. Optical disc ni sekarang kita dah tak guna sangat ya. Dulu kita guna DVD, CD kan, but now it is rarely used. Okay, even in apa namanya music industry pun dia dah guna kaedah lain ya. Dia dah tak guna CD and optical disc. Okay, explain the types of enterprise storage and then fixed cards, smart cards, RFID tags and NFC tags. Yang ni saya dah terangkan secara ringkas in chapter 1. But I will be go through in a bit detail in chapter 2 part 3. Sekejap ya. Ada orang masuk tadi. Okay, so let's start. Okay, the storage medium is the physical material on which a computer keeps data, information, program, and application. There are two types of storage that previously I've explained about storage device. Storage device is a peripheral that write on storage medium. Okay, means that to save or to keep your data in a storage medium, you need a storage device. Okay, another type of storage medium is cloud storage, which you can keep information on servers on the internet, and the actual media on which the files are stored are transparent to the user. Banyaklah macam sekarang ni, macam Google Classroom tu pun cloud storage ya. Saya simpan di situ, then I can share with you. And then Google Drive, kalau pernah dengar kan, there are a lot of example lah. Okay, this is example of storage. Kita ada internal hard disk, internal solid state drive, kemudian external hard drive, memory cards, USB flash drive, yang ni awak panggil apa namanya pen drive ya, cloud storage, ataupun yang popularnya kita guna Google Drive, optical disc, CD, DVD, network attached device, strike card, okay, yang ni card lah, smart card yang guna chip dia, RFID tags, yang ni pun saya dah explain last week, NFC tags. NFC tag ni pun dah jarang guna ya. Dulu last few years is quite many devices use NFC tag, but nowadays dah kurang dah kurang guna. If you see the book itself is on 2018, so dia punya teknologi agak lambat sikit ya. Kita dah tak guna NFC tag saya, tapi in your syllabus masih ada lah. Okay, a storage device is the hardware that records and or retrieve item to and from storage media. Okay, contoh storage media kita CD, storage device kita tempat yang nak baca CD itulah yang tu dipanggil storage device. Okay, macam pen drive kan, ataupun USB flash drive, yang itu ialah storage medium. Nak baca dia guna apa? Kita guna USB apa nama USB plug-in tu lah, tempat yang kita cucuk tu. Okay, yang tu dipanggil storage device. Okay, it read and write. Read maksud dia apa? Reading is the process of transferring item from storage medium into memory. Bila kita masukkan pen drive ke dalam USB flash drive slot tu, kita masukkan, dia akan read, dia akan transfer ke RAM. Okay, kemudian dia akan proses lah, dan kemudian dia akan go machine cycle, semua yang saya ajar yang saya explain last week kan. Okay, yang itu reading. Maksudnya dia ambil daripada storage medium and then read, and then it will be processed and go as output. Macam sekarang ni kan, saya guna hard drive, saya nak present PowerPoint. So daripada hard drive dia masuk ke memory, kemudian dia keluar ke display device yang awak nampak sekarang ni lah. Okay, saya share through network. Okay, writing is the process of transferring item from memory to storage medium. Bila kita save, yang tu lah, save tu dipanggil writing. Maksudnya daripada memory dia simpan ke dalam storage medium. Yang tu dipanggil writing. Process of transferring item from memory to a storage medium. Okay, capacity is the number of bytes. If you still remember bit and byte, 1 byte consists of 8 bits. Kalau masih ingat And then bila kita kata bytes, maksudnya banyak lah. Okay, the capacity is the number of bytes of a storage medium can hold. Kita ada kilobyte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte, petabyte, exabyte, zettabyte, yottabyte. Okay. Masa saya mula-mula belajar komputer dulu, kilobyte je RAM ataupun nak save dalam floppy disk Floppy disk masa saya sekolah menengah dulu. Berapa megabyte berapa kilobyte, 3 kilobyte, 4 kilobyte macam tu je. Kemudian megabyte lagi besar lah. Dah kagum Sekarang di gigabyte Satu pen drive ataupun USB flash drive, you can store up to 512 gigabytes. Okay, kalau hard disk, kita boleh simpan up to 1 terabyte. Lagi banyak Ni kalau yang petabyte, exabyte ni biasanya yang gunanya server. Server dia simpan banyak.
So,
yep.
Ada orang baru request answer.
Okay. Tak ada pun. So, dia request sekali lagi. Dah terlepas So, dia request sekali lagi Okay. So, that one is the number of bytes of a storage medium can hold. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, computer use language based on bit, on and off 1 and 0 Okay, computer only read on and off. The screen display is considered volatile because it contents disappear when power is removed. Likewise, ROM is volatile. Volatile maksudnya when you turn off the computer, the memory will erase. Okay, RAM dia akan kosong lah bila kita tutup komputer That is, its content are erased when power is removed from a computer or mobile device. Storage by contrast is a non-volatile. Bila kita kata storage, dia non-volatile. Macam pen drive, hard disk. Bila kita off komputer, data masih tersimpan lah. Kalau dia tak, if it is not corrupted. Okay. Its content remain when the power is off. Okay, that's why it's here volatile. Screen display is volatile. When we shut off the computer, shut down the computer, the content will remove dalam RAM sebab apa yang ada dekat screen ni dia ada dalam RAM. So it is called volatile. Okay. So for storage medium it is non-volatile. Okay, content of most RAM volatile. The screen display is considered volatile because its content disappear when power is removed. Okay, ni saya dah terangkan tadi Okay. For storage medium, content storage non-volatile. Okay. The screen display is considered volatile because its content display when power off. Okay, ni yang tadi sama Okay. Access time ni pun saya dah explain last week the amount of time it takes to storage device to locate an item on the storage medium. Yang ni dia guna clock cycle dia kalau masih ingat. Okay. If you look here, the fastest of transfer rate, the fastest is RAM. Sebab apa? Dia memang dah dekat dengan processor. Sebab tu dia paling laju. Yang kedua is SSD. Okay, most of the hard disk nowadays is SSD. Dia laju. Masalah dia apa? It is a bit expensive. Okay, it is a bit expensive. If you buy a new laptop or computer, most of the computer nowadays using SSD. Okay, SSD. SSD ni apa saya dah lupa dengan term ni. Tak lekat lagi dia punya term. SSD is solid state drive SSD. Internal solid state drive yang atas ni. Internal solid state drive. Kalau awak nak beli komputer sekarang ni, make sure guna hard disk SSD sebab dia sangat laju. Okay, compared to hard disk. Macam laptop saya ni, saya dah upgrade. Laptop saya ni laptop lama Sebab tu kalau awak tengok kamera ni pun kelabu je, masih ada komplain yang muka apa pasal lah muka Cik Zul kelabu je. Komputer dah lama, dah 7 tahun. Saya hanya upgrade je sebabnya saya sayang komputer ni, dia masih okey kan. Saya buat frequent maintenance, so the computer is okay, processor pun boleh run lagi. So saya hanya upgrade hard disk saya tambah my main hard disk. Sebelum ni guna hard disk, sekarang ni saya guna SSD. Hard disk masih ada, hard disk ni untuk simpan data, SSD ni untuk simpan program. Okay, so dia jadi lebih laju lah. Then yang seterusnya is USB flash drive. Okay, sebab tu USB flash drive ni pen drive lah. Sebab tu kalau awak nak buat presentation, katakanlah nak buat presentation di kelas nanti, kalau when you get back into UITM nanti nanti awak akan ada presentation. Jangan guna your pen drive sebab dia boleh jadi hang, dia akan lambat. Lebih baik it's better for you to transfer your file to hard disk. Masukkanlah hard disk, so dia lebih laju. Okay, dia tak hang, dia tak stuck dan sebagainya. So it's better for you to transfer your your data in your USB flash drive to hard disk because it is faster. Okay, and then memory card lebih slow lah. And the last one is optical disc. Optical disc ni apa? CD, DVD, semua tu yang paling slow paling perlahan. Of course yang paling perlahan paling murah lah. Okay, what is hard disk? Hard disk is also called a hard disk drive. Contain one or more flexible circular platters that use magnetic particles to store data, instruction and information. Dia macam ni Kalau hard disk ni awak buka, dia rupa dia macam ni. Tapi jangan buka. Kalau awak buka, hard disk terus rosak. Sebab dia sangat sensitif. Okay, tak boleh buka. Yang ni dia tunjuk sebab nak tunjuk kat awak lah macam mana rupa hard disk. Okay, the hard disk is in a personal computer is enclosed inside an airtight seal case. Airtight seal case. Maksudnya kalau awak buka seal tu, awak buka tu dia dah tak jadi airtight. Dia akan masuk angin Bila masuk angin dia akan crash. Hard disk will crash. Okay, in this photo the desktop and laptop hard disk, the top plate is removed for illustration purposes. The laptop hard disk is much smaller than the desktop hard disk. Of course lah. Sebab laptop kecil kan, space dia lebih kecil compared to desktop. Ni laptop dia biasanya sebelah kiri sebelah kiri. Dia dekat dengan kipas tu. Kipas biasanya sebelah kiri. Okay. The storage capacity of hard disk varies and is determined by the number of platters the hard disk contain, the composition of the magnetic coating of the platters, whether the disk uses longitudinal or perpendicular recording, and also the density. Yang ni lah. Dia tengok berapa banyak lapis disk ni yang ada Ada setiap disk ni dia ada track, cluster and sector. Dia bagikan macam tu Track, okay, formatting sometimes bila awak buka komputer tu hang atau crash, dia akan minta awak format kan. Formatting. Jangan format, jangan kata-kata nak format. Kalau awak format maknanya dia akan erase. It will erase the whole hard disk. Okay. Sebab saya dah jadi pada saya sebelum ni saya guna komputer di bilik saya, sebelum ni orang lain guna. So bila komputer tu dapat the desktop computers, then the computer asked me to format. Bila saya format, habis kosong habis data tak ada, kosong langsung. What is formatting? Formatting is the process of dividing the disk into track and sector. Dia akan pecahkan semua benda ni dan dia akan erase semua. Dia akan kosongkan So be careful when you want to format your computer. So tak nanti habis semua data Track form circles on the surface of a hard disk. The disk storage location are divided into which shape sections which break the tracks into small arcs called sector. Dia ada track, cluster, sector. And the smallest unit in computer is sector. Satu sector berapa byte saya tak ingat, dulu ada saya ni Okay, characteristic of hard disk include track, sector, platters, form factor, read or write head and revolution per minute. Yang ni dia punya how we measure the speed of the hard disk. Okay, so dia ada ni lah. Dia ada circuit board, kemudian dia ada small motor spin. Okay, dan dia ada read or write head Okay, this is the hard disk. Okay, ni yang saya katakan tadi why hard disk must be kept in airtight seal apa namanya airtight seal case ya. Why? Because of this one. Kalau tengok ni read or write head and the platter. Bila dia baca, platter ni akan berpusing ya. Will be spinning and the read or write head will read the data on or information on the platter. Yang benda bulat tadi lah. Yang ni ya, yang ni. Yang ni platter. Yang ni read or write head. Okey. Berapa clearance antara read or write head dengan platter? Kalau tengok sini. Sikit je ya. Ini awak punya rambut. Yang ni dust. Dust is habuk lah. Yang ni smoke. In other word, kalau masuk asap pun, dia akan jadi heat crash. Okay, hard disk akan rosak. That's why it is sealed in airtight apa namanya case, in airtight case. Okay, a heat crash occurs when a read or write head touches the surface of a platter. Dia tak boleh bertemu ya. Kalau bertemu dia akan scratch. Kalau scratch, hard disk akan rosak. Okay, bila hard disk rosak tu one of the reason because mungkin airtight seal tu dah tak ada ya. Dia dah masuk angin ataupun habuk dan sebagainya. Dia sangat-sangat sensitif kepada habuk ya. Okay. The clearance between hard disk or the clearance between a hard disk read or write head and the platter is about 2 millionths of an inch. 2 million of an inch ya. 2 juta, 1/2 juta inci. Tak tahulah besar mana ya. Kalau rambut awak pun besar ni, you can just imagine lah berapa kecilnya read or write head. Okay. My friend used to work in apa namanya company who produce hard disk di Penang. Apa namanya? Apa nama company tu lupa saya. Allahu Akbar. Tak ingat nama company. Seagate. Okay, Seagate. Yang keluarkan hard disk kan. Bila dah masuk dalam kilang tu, dia kena vacuum badan dia dulu ya. Macam orang nak pergi bulan tu. Sebabnya dia tak boleh ada, kalau tengok sini clearance ni sangat-sangat sikit kan. Kalau masuk habuk memang rosak hard disk kan. So dia kena make sure badan dia tak ada habuk satu pun So dia memang betul-betul kena jaga benda tu ya. Kilang buat hard disk di Penang dah tak ada dah rasanya, dah tutup. Okay, this is a new type of hard drive. It is called SSD, solid state drive. It is a flash memory storage device that contains its own processor to manage its storage. That's why it is faster because it has its own processor. Dia ada processor, sebab tu dia mahal ya. Macam ada dua komputer dalam satu komputer ya. And SSD has several advantages over traditional hard disk. Yang inilah, yang ni dipanggil traditional hard disk. Okay, SSD ni lain ya. It is faster access time, faster transfer rate, quieter operation, dia tak bising sangat ya. More durable, lebih tahan lama, and it is of course it is lighter. Dia lebih ringan ya. Less power consumption, less heat generation, longer life, and defragmentation not required. Dia tak macam hard disk. Hard disk ni kena selalu defrag sebabnya sektor dia guna kaedah ni ya. Sektor track cluster, bila penuh, bila ada bad sector, kita kena buat disk defragment. But for SSD tak perlu. Okay. Okay, other type of storage medium is external hard drive. It is a separate freestanding storage device that connect with the cable to a USB port or other port on a computer or mobile device. Okay, yang ni lah. Biasanya hard disk 500 MB to 1 TB. Sekarang ni 2 TB pun ada ya. Okay, another one is RAID, redundant array of independent disk. Is a group of 2 or more integrated hard disk. Dia combine dalam satu dipanggil RAID. Another type of storage medium is a memory card, a removable flash memory storage device that you insert in and remove from a slot in a computer, mobile device, or card or read or write. Card reader or writer. Dia ada SDHC, SDXC, mini SD, micro SDHC. Bergantung kepada type of device that you use. Okay. Kalau guna digital camera mungkin dia guna SDHC. Kalau guna handphone mungkin dia guna micro SDHC. It depends on the type of device. Okey, dia ada banyak lagi lah. Micro SDHC, CFXD, picture card, memory stick Pro Duo. Okey. Macam memory stick Pro Duo ni yang gunanya Sony ya. Kalau kamera Sony dia guna yang ni, dia lain sikit ya. And then M2. So there are many types of portable memory storage. Yang ni lah. Yang ni kalau guna digital camera, smartphone printer pun boleh guna ya, tablet. Okey, dia ada macam-macam lah. Rasa type of portable flash memory storage. How it works, samalah. Dia masuk ke dalam memory, kemudian dia akan go to the processor using the machine cycle balik yang saya what I have explained in the last lecture. Okay, this is quite popular. Most of students use this one, USB flash drive. You plug into USB port on a computer or mobile device. And then this is another type of storage, cloud storage, and an internet service that provides storage to computer or mobile device user. Macam iPhone, macam telefon telefon kita ada cloud storage, dia bagi 5 gig kot. Okay? Kalau awak nak lebih, you have to pay for it. Okay. Okay, ni yang saya katakan optical disc tadi it is quite less popular nowadays. An optical disc consists of a flat, round, portable disc made of metal, plastic, and lacquer that is written and read by a laser. Dia guna laser Okay. Dia guna apa? Dia guna pit and land. Dia akan lekukkan laser akan lekukkan, kemudian dia ada yang berlekuk ni dia panggil pit, yang tak berlekuk ni dia panggil land. So dia guna kaedah tu. Okay, to write on a disc. A laser diode shines a light beam towards the disc, and then if light strike a pit, it scatters. If light strike a land, it reflected back toward the laser diode. The reflected light is deflected into light sensing diode, which sends a digital signal of 1 to the computer. Absence of reflected light is read as digital signal of 0. Okay. Dia masih gunakan bit lah, binary digit satu on, 0 off kan. Okay, satu kalau berlekuk ni satu lah, kalau land tu dia kosong. Okay, so it use the same technique to read and write from optical disc. Unlike hard disk, kalau hard disk dia pusing ni kan, yang ni dia macam spiral dia start pada ujung, dia akan end di tengah-tengah. Okay, optical disc commonly store item on a single track. Maksudnya dia ada satu track sahaja. Kalau hard disk tadi dia dah ada banyak track Kalau tengok ni ulang balik. Yang ni dia ada banyak track sebab dia tak bertemu. Setiap track tak bertemu. Untuk hard disk dia ada satu track saja, single track. Daripada awal, daripada ujung sampai ke tengah dia pusing sampai habis. Kita tengok ni satu track je. Pusing macam ubat nyamuk sampai habis. Ubat nyamuk yang bakar tu lah kan, ubat nyamuk pun tak tahu macam mana rupa dia. Okay, so optical disc commonly store item in a single track that spirals from the center of the disc to the edge of the disc. Daripada tengah dia pusing sampai habis Track is divided into evenly sized sectors, but it still use sector. Okay, cuma untuk track hanya ada satu track, tak macam hard disk dia ada banyak track Okay, this is the type of optical disc: CD-ROM, CDR, CDRW. CD-ROM can be read but not written. CDR it is an optical disc on which user can write once but not erase. CDRW is an erasable multi-session disc. Dulu masa saya mula-mula mengajar AIS160, AIS205, saya suka student hantar CD dia guna CDR ataupun CDRW. Maksudnya dia boleh save dalam CD. CDR ni maksudnya dia boleh save sekali je, lepas tu dia jadi CD-ROM. CDRW ni dia boleh write banyak kali, rasanya 8 kali awak boleh padam, tambah erase, dia boleh tambah maksudnya dia boleh kalau masih ingat bila kita read atau write dia guna pit and land kan. Kalau macam CDRW tu dia lebih tebal maksudnya dia boleh padam, dia boleh ratakan balik So CDRW lebih mahal lah. Kalau CDR ni dalam RM1 satu kot, CDRW dalam RM5 kalau saya tak silap. Okay, and then there is another type of optical disc, DVD-ROM. It's high capacity optical disc on which user can read but not write or erase. Sama lah, dia ada DVD-R and DVD-RW. Perbezaan CD, the differences between CD and DVD. DVD can store larger item with a higher quality. Okay, sebab tu kalau awak ada pernah tengok movie guna CD, kualiti dia lebih rendah, okay, compared to movie guna DVD. Dia ada Blu-ray, DVD and so on. Okay, enterprise storage. Enterprise hardware allows larger organization to manage and store data and information using devices intended for heavy use. Maximum efficiency and maximum availability. One of the way is using RAID lah tadi ya. RAID duplicates data, instruction and information to improve data reliability. Okay, so dia guna ni ya. In RAID level 1 called mirroring and backup. This exists for each drive. Other RAID level use striping. That is, portions of each drive are placed on multiple drive. Okay, so dia ada backup lah. Okay, another one is network attached storage or NAS. It's a server that is placed on a network with the sole purpose of providing storage to users, computers and devices attached to the network. This is for network. Kalau guna network dia ada different type of storage medium lah. This is an example of how network attached storage connect to a network. Okay, dia ada server dan dia masuk ke network attached storage. Kita ada client. Client ni setiap komputer dia panggil client ya. Dalam network setiap komputer dia panggil client ataupun node. Okay, dia akan menggunakan network dan disimpan dalam network attached storage yang besar lah. Yang ni yang saya katakan yottabyte tadi kan, petabyte kan, bukan lagi gigabyte ataupun terabyte dia lebih besar. Okay, another one is storage area network or SAN. It's a high speed network with the sole purpose of providing storage to other attached servers. This is another type of storage medium for network. Storage area network provides central storage for servers and networks. Okay, yang ni yang paling lama, tape. Tape is a magnetically coated ribbon of plastic capable of storing large amount of data and information. A tape drive reads and writes data and information on a magnetic tape. Kalau tengok cerita tahun yang lama-lama, tahun 60-an, 70-an, kalau tengok macam mana manusia pergi ke bulan tahun 73 tahun 69. Okay, kalau tengok NASA masa dia guna tape. Tape tu macam mana? Macam ni lah. Yang ni cartridge ni lebih moden ya. Kalau dulu dia guna tape yang bulat dia, ada dah sekarang. Dulu ada, sekarang tak ada. Dia dalam bentuk bulat. Apa namanya, kalau tengok cerita lama-lama lah, cerita Batman lama-lama ke, cerita cerita apa ya yang lama, cerita fiction, but old fiction movie dia guna tape. Nowadays dah tak ada dah ya. Tape robot, ada tape cartridge, tape lagi. Kenapa guna tape? Tape ni sebab dia tahan lama. Tape dia tahan lama, dia boleh tahan beratus tahun ya. That's why dia masih digunakan ya. Untuk archive ataupun arkib dalam Melayu ya. We use it as archive. If you go to the library, you want to search for old newspaper, nak tengok surat khabar tahun 52, tahun 1952, ada tak? Ada, dia guna tape. Okay, then awak kena buka lah, then awak kena guna tape reader, then you can print. Okay, the old newspaper. Dia tak guna CD, dia tak guna DVD, tak guna pendrive ya. Sebab apa? Sebab zaman tu tak ada, dia ada tape je. So kita masih guna tape ya. Okay, this is another type of storage, magnetic stripe card and smart card. I have explained on magnetic stripe card and smart card in last lecture. Magnetic stripe card has magnetic stripe that contains information. Smart card stores data on integrated circuit embedded in the card. Kalau masuk ke dalam UiTM, masuk ke UiTM, awak akan dapat smart card. Smart card tu ada chip lah. dalam chip tu ada data. Dan kalau nak pergi library ke apa pinjam buku ke, just use that smart card. Yang ni magnetic stripe card yang saya katakan dulu bank guna ya. But nowadays bank dah tak guna. Bank pun dah guna smart card ya. Dulu guna stripe card. Stripe card ni ataupun magnetic stripe ni yang masih guna Tesco pun dah guna barcode ya. Macam yang saya tahu bonus link yang saya gunakan macam kad yang nak collect point tu masih guna magnetic stripe card. Sebab apa? Sebab dia murah. Okey, berbanding dengan smart card mahal, magnetic stripe card lebih murah. Okey, yang ni magnetic stripe card lah. Macam IC kita, okey, ataupun apa namanya, your ATM card, okey, your identity card, your matrix card, semua guna apa dipanggil, smart card. Dan most of the ATM card nowadays dia contactless card. Apa maksud contactless card? Kita nak bayar just letak je kan. Contactless card. Apa yang nak masuk? Kalau dulu dia kena masuk dalam mesin macam ni ya. Contact card, yang ni contactless card. Kita just touch. Macam touch and go lah. That one is contactless card. Okay, another type is RFID tags. Consists of an antenna and a memory chip that contain information to be transmitted via radio wave. And an RFID reader reads the radio signal and transfers the information to a computer or computing device. Yang ni lah. Ni RFID tag, ini RFID reader. Kalau yang untuk di kereta pun sama ya, yang ada RFID tag tu kan, dia guna macam ni ya. Dia tak ada guna bateri, tak guna apa, sebab dia dah ada antenna. Dia boleh transmit, it can transmit wave to the RFID reader. Dia tak macam smart tag. Smart tag tu sebenarnya dia guna kaedah yang ni ya. Contactless card. Contactless card ni dia kena dekat. Dia tak ada jauh-jauh. Okay, so untuk transmit wave dia guna satu lagi device. Disambungkan dekat apa namanya, touch and go tu supaya dia jadi macam RFID. Okay, tapi untuk RFID tak perlu. Dia sendiri dah boleh transmit wave. So it is a cheaper technology with a better quality lah. Okay, this is yang saya katakan tadi, NFC. Yang untuk handphone yang for the past 5 years ago tahun 2018 lah, dia guna NFC. NFC enable device contain an NFC chips. An NFC tag contains a chip and antenna that contain information to be transmitted. Most NFC tags are self-adhesive. Inilah. But nowadays kita tak guna sangat ya. Kita dah guna contactless card dan juga RFID. Yang ni jarang-jarang guna ya. Tapi ada. Okay, tapi tak banyak lah. This NFC enable phone communicate with an NFC reader to send a mobile payment. Sekarang ni tak guna ya. Kita guna contactless card je. Ataupun apa saya panggil tadi? Smart card. Okay. So that's it for storage. Chapter 2 part 3. I have explained on storage option, storage capacity, storage access time, SSD, external hard disk, RAID, portable flash memory storage, advantages of cloud storage, characteristics of optical disk, enterprise storage option, magnetic stripe cards, smart card, RFID tags, and NFC chips and tags. Okay. For the detail, you need to read the books. I just go through maybe 80% of it. Okay. Then another 2 to 20% you need to read the book. Okay. Okay, we take a break and I will stop recording here.